If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we learned an interesting sentence. My breath smells. 我的口气不好闻. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say, I'm going to brush my teeth first. This sentence has a few new words. But don't worry, if you can speak a long sentence, I'm going to brush my teeth first in English, you will have no problem to say this short sentence in Chinese. First, let's break down this sentence and learn one word at a time. I'm sure you can recognize the first word, 我, that means I. We have seen it many times in the past. The second word is a new one, 先, that means first. Please repeat after me. 先, 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 先. The third one is 去, that means go. Please repeat after me. 去, 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 去. The fourth word is 刷, that means brush. Please repeat after me. 刷, 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 刷. The last word is 牙, that means tooth or teeth. We have seen this word before in toothache. Remember? 牙疼. Now please repeat after me. 牙, 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 牙. So the entire sentence sounds like 我先去刷牙. Please repeat after me. 我先去刷牙. 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 Let's practice in the normal speed. 我先去刷牙. 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 One more time. 我先去刷牙. With this new sentence, this is how our dialogue will look like. What's for breakfast? How about some eggs, milk, orange juice, and bread? That sounds great. My breath smells. I'm gonna brush my teeth first. Let's practice in Chinese. We're gonna practice 4 times. The first 2 times will be slower. The last 2 times will be normal speed. Please repeat after me. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。Once again, 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。Now let's get to the normal speed. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？ 听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。One more time. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。Let's do a role play. The sentences in blue are for the man. The sentence in white is for the lady. Let's get started.
早餐吃什么？
一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？
听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。
Wow, you are so advanced. You can speak such a long dialogue in Chinese. I'm so proud of you. Be sure to practice a few more times after class. Coming up, we are going to learn how to say, okay, I'll let you know when breakfast is ready. Please give me a thumb up and share this video. Please subscribe. I appreciate your support. See you next time.